Shadowing Practice for A2, Episode 16. No grammar explanations today. Just listen carefully and repeat. Focus on the sound and flow of English. Part 1. Natural Speaking Practice. I practice English speaking every single day. I practice English speaking every single day. I repeat sentences slowly and clearly. I repeat sentences slowly and clearly. I listen first and then repeat aloud. I listen first and then repeat aloud. I focus on rhythm when I repeat sentences. I focus on rhythm when I repeat sentences. I try to sound calm and natural. I try to sound calm and natural. I repeat phrases 2 or 3 times daily. I repeat phrases 2 or 3 times daily. I speak clearly and confidently each time. I speak clearly and confidently each time. I repeat sentences to improve my fluency. I repeat sentences to improve my fluency. I copy the speaker's natural rhythm. I copy the speaker's natural rhythm. I practice speaking in full sentences. I practice speaking in full sentences. I repeat each phrase with careful attention. I repeat each phrase with careful attention. I listen closely before I start speaking. I listen closely before I start speaking. I repeat until the sentence feels natural. I repeat until the sentence feels natural. I speak slowly when I learn new phrases. I speak slowly when I learn new phrases. I repeat daily to build speaking habit. I repeat daily to build speaking habit. I focus on clarity while repeating aloud. I focus on clarity while repeating aloud. I repeat sentences to train my memory. I repeat sentences to train my memory. I listen carefully and speak clearly. I listen carefully and speak clearly. I practice shadowing every single day. I practice shadowing every single day. I feel more confident speaking English. I feel more confident speaking English. Part 2. Rhythm and Pronunciation Training. I practice clear pronunciation every day. I practice clear pronunciation every day. I repeat difficult sounds slowly. I repeat difficult sounds slowly. I copy the speaker's stress and rhythm. I copy the speaker's stress and rhythm. I speak slowly to control pronunciation. I speak slowly to control pronunciation. I repeat words until they sound right. I repeat words until they sound right. I focus on vowels and consonant sounds. I focus on vowels and consonant sounds. I repeat phrases with natural rhythm. I repeat phrases with natural rhythm. I listen carefully to every small sound. I listen carefully to every small sound. I repeat sentences to improve intonation. I repeat sentences to improve intonation. I speak clearly in every sentence. I speak clearly in every sentence. I repeat phrases with correct stress. I repeat phrases with correct stress. I copy natural pauses in sentences. I copy natural pauses in sentences. I repeat slowly and then faster. I repeat slowly and then faster. I listen again and repeat carefully. I listen again and repeat carefully. I focus on the music of English speech. I focus on the music of English speech. I repeat sentences to sound more natural. I repeat sentences to sound more natural. I practice pronunciation step by step. I practice pronunciation step by step. I repeat each phrase clearly aloud. I repeat each phrase clearly aloud. I listen carefully and copy the rhythm. I listen carefully and copy the rhythm. I feel my pronunciation getting better. I feel my pronunciation getting better. Part 3. Short dialogue patterns. I practice short conversations every day. I practice short conversations every day. I repeat both parts of the dialogue. I repeat both parts of the dialogue. I answer simple questions aloud. I answer simple questions aloud. I repeat short answers clearly. I repeat short answers clearly. I practice common speaking patterns. I practice common speaking patterns. I repeat dialogues 2 or 3 times. I repeat dialogues 2 or 3 times. I try to sound natural and relaxed. I try to sound natural and relaxed. I repeat questions with clear intonation. I repeat questions with clear intonation. I answer slowly and clearly. I answer slowly and clearly. I practice speaking with full sentences. I practice speaking with full sentences. I repeat phrases used in conversation. I repeat phrases used in conversation. I copy the rhythm of natural dialogue. I copy the rhythm of natural dialogue. I practice polite phrases aloud. I practice polite phrases aloud. I repeat questions and answers daily. I repeat questions and answers daily. I speak clearly during each dialogue. I speak clearly during each dialogue. I repeat conversations for confidence. I repeat conversations for confidence. I practice shadowing with short dialogues. I practice shadowing with short dialogues. I repeat until speaking feels easy. I repeat until speaking feels easy. I feel more confident every day. I feel more confident every day. I continue practicing English daily. I continue practicing English daily. Well done. This was your shadowing practice. Practice again tomorrow. See you next time.